Hi everyone, I'm Laura from Killer Beauty and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Bellar Air permanent makeup machine from Microbeau. Based on the original Bellar, the Bellar Air has been designed to empower innovation and comes with endless capabilities to make PMU treatments easier than ever before. The Bellar Air is a breakthrough wireless innovation from Microbeau, and this machine aims to provide a luxury experience for the artist with maximum freedom. The Bellar Air is powered by an interchangeable wireless battery pack, which features an OLED digital display and conductive silicone controls. Each machine also comes with a luxury case to keep the Bellar Air fully protected when you travel. The new digital display allows you to easily adjust speed, voltage and e-give to tailor each treatment to the individual client. The Bellar Air also features a built-in needle sensing system, which responds to any resistance to implant pigment correctly and minimise trauma. Voltage ranges from 4 to 10 volts and the machine comes with adjustable needle depth via the ratcheting system. Being completely wireless, the Bellar Air gives artists the ultimate freedom to work from anywhere in their clinic, and the sleek pen-style design is extremely comfortable to use. Weighing in at only 110 grams with the battery, the Bellar Air won't place excess strain on the hand or wrist. The design of the machine also makes it easy to wrap or cover for hygiene purposes to prevent any contamination or damage. The Bellar Air comes in fixed 2.1mm and 3mm stroke length, meaning you can choose the best fit for you. Built-in Bluetooth connectivity also allows you to pair the Bellar Air with the Dark Lab app and the wireless kill switch foot pedal. Each Bellar Air also comes with a DC power adapter, meaning that any artists who prefer to use a power cord are free to do so. Fans of the classic Bellar machine who are seeking a wireless option are sure to love the Bellar Air. The cutting-edge digital display makes adjusting your machine quick and easy, and we also sell the Bellar Air with an additional battery. This allows you to have a fully charged backup, ready to switch out if and when you run out of power for zero interruptions. We think this PMU machine is going to quickly become an artist's favourite, and you can order yours today through the link in the description. If you have tried the Bellar Air already, leave a comment below and let us know what you think. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to be the first to see our brand new videos.